Alright, let's check out these small tool bags with 3 zipper compartments. This comes as a 2-pack, which is nice, because you can organize different types of tools, instead of throwing everything into one bag. Each one measures about 12 inches long, 7 inches high, and roughly 4 inches wide, so they're compact, but still big enough to hold a decent amount of gear. That being said, as you will see in a bit, this also limits what you can actually fit in the bag. They are best for organizing smaller hand tools, like screwdrivers, wrenches, and pliers. They are packaged together in a plastic bag, sealed with some tape. We cut the tape carefully to open the bag. If you do this, make sure you are cautious not to cut the bags themselves. With the bag open, we can now pull the pouches out. There are 2 colors, orange and green, which makes organization easy, as you can put specific tools in each bag and quickly grab the one you need based on color. Outside of color, the bags are pretty much identical. They are made from a heavy-duty Oxford fabric, which feels pretty tough and tear-resistant. A zipper opens up the side pocket. This is a shallow area where you can slip thin items, like drill bits or blades. Then there are 2 larger zippered areas, in which you can store and organize your various tools. Each of these areas are about 2 inches wide, when fully expanded. The inside actually has a waterproof PVC lining, which is helpful if you're storing metal tools that could rust, or if the bag gets wet in a truck or garage. With the 3 separate zippered compartments, instead of digging around for things, you can keep items separated, maybe screws in one pocket, small tools in another, and accessories in the third. This makes them much easier to organize than a big toolbox, especially for small items like pliers, electrical testers, drill bits, or even things like gloves or measuring tools. That being said, the compact size means they're not really meant for large or heavy items. For instance, the bag compartments are not large enough to fit this cordless drill, even without the battery attached. Despite flipping it around a few times, you cannot get it to fit in a way that you could zipper the compartment. Even a standard size hammer is a bit too long to fit inside these bags. So these tool pouches are really meant for storing small gear, like screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, tape measures, stud finders, or other small electronics. Although they are made of a rugged fabric, we would shy away from storing anything that is too sharp, as it might cut or puncture the material. These bags are also quite versatile. Even though they're designed for tools, a lot of folks end up using them for other things, like car emergency kits, electronics cables, art supplies, or travel accessories. There is a convenient carrying handle, and also 2 metal loops, where you can attach a shoulder strap. However, you have to supply your own, as there is no included strap. So overall, if you're looking for simple, compact tool organization, these pouches are a pretty practical option. You get multiple compartments, waterproof lining, durable fabric, and 2 bags in the set, which makes them really handy for organizing small tools or everyday gear. We did get these for free, in exchange for our honest review. We hope you found this video informative.